Mehul Choksi, Chairman at Gitanjali Gems, to find out really potential for the company and what's happening on the export front as well. Mr. Choksi, thank you so much for joining us this morning. First question is that we have seen those numbers come out for the month of November, and exports have risen 34%. Is this purely a story about having a low base last year at the same time, or do you actually see a genuine pickup in demand?
Well, the genuine demand has picked up for sure, but this is mainly the effect is because of low base. The exports started going down only from month of October, and particularly October, November, December, post Lehman Brothers crisis. So this is both ways. The demand is also increasing by 5-7%, but also because the base was very low last year. And particularly in jewelry and diamond industry, it is because the pipeline is quite cleared. So because of this reason also, we are seeing a significant growth.
Right. Mr. Choksi, just wondering, going ahead, while this was probably a result of low base, how do you expect the situation to pan out for the next 3-4 quarters? Would the numbers look attractive, more attractive than what they are right now?
Well, up to May or June, I believe there would be a growth by 10 to 15%, and then probably the markets will revive and growth will be the same for the following months too. But from October till May, the exports were really affected very badly this year in particular, because post the crisis, there was a lot of a slowdown in demand. But the demand has started picking up post June, and particularly in the last 2 months.
Well, one quick question then on a stake acquisition that you have done, Salasar, where you have it's a retail company and you've taken a 76% stake there. It's in the clothing business. What's the logic and rationale behind this?
Basically, we are converting this into lifestyle retail and particularly focused on jewelry. The retail market is really conducive at this moment. The real estate price and everything is very attractive. So we're expanding our retail. So it's one of our one of the segment particularly to expand our retail. And it's going to be converted into a lifestyle retail totally. It's not going to be Salasar anymore.
Right.
Yeah,
and one quick question. You said that you're seeing demand on the diamond side actually looking very strong and picking up, in spite of the fact that we've got high gold prices, which might have a negative effect on demand for jewelry. How are you seeing this play out? And 60% of your revenues come from diamonds. What's the forecast there for pricing traction?
There's very high demand on diamond side in particular, because even the diamond rough supply has been very slow because many of the mines have slowed down the supply. In the last 6 months, the supply has gone up by nearly 30 to 40%, but irrespective of that, it is not matching the 208, 207 figures. So in fact, the prices of rough diamond has increased by nearly 50 to 60% over the last 6 months' time. The enough supply is not coming from the mines itself, because many miners have stopped mining the rough material due to not affordability.